We're Team Labs, and we're introducing to our mobile application, Momento. I'm Shahid, the product manager of Momento.
I'm Lois, the product designer.
I'm Amir, the developer.
Hello, I'm Blessing, and I'm software developer.
So what's the problem that we've identified? We've identified that users are facing obstacles when reaching out to their loved ones, and we position ourselves to bridge this gap between users wanting to reach out to their loved ones and them actually practicing it. So what are our users doing today? Well, without Momento, they're committing to memory to reach out to their loved ones. And two, they're also setting up standard reminders the same way you would set up wash my car, finish my proposal. And we've learned the problems with these methods. One is that our users are too busy and they kind of forget from their memory to reach out to their loved ones. And two is they push it off because they see it's just another task in their checklist. And here we have a painted picture of the negative experiences users face without Momento while reaching out to their loved ones. So what have we learned through talking to customers via interviews and surveys? We've learned that users are willing to change this habit. They all point out that they should be doing more to reach out to their loved ones. Another key learning that we've identified is that users do feel good, regardless of how often they push off connecting with their loved ones. They feel good after reaching out to them.
And so for the development, we ended up deciding on mobile application development because we want to leverage the device that people have been using to contact their loved one, namely their phones. And we targeted both Android users and iOS users. For this MVP, we ship out the sync context feature, feeling selector, and also reminder. And for the technology stack, we use Expo Managed Workflow so that we can develop both for Android and iOS at the same time. And now for the demo. So this is the application. The main features is the sync contact. From here, user can sync with up to 5 people from their contact list. And we do this because we want them to really focus and grow the relationship with these 5 people. And once selected, they can either text or call straight from the application. And in home, there's 2 additional features that we think are the unique selling point of our application. So one is the reminder. From their favorite contact that they have selected, they can create a reminder with the time and repeated days to be reminded of when to contact their loved ones. And then the feelings factor. So this is to provide positive reinforcement so that the user would more often contact their loved one. So with this, we can solve the problem of people wanting to contact with their loved one. Now I'll pass it on to Lois.
Right. In terms of next steps for context, I finished hi-fi designs incorporating branding with pastel color palettes of green and blue. Both are calming colors to help the users to focus alongside with a highly legible typeface avenir. We have finished the hi-fi testing and gathered insights to change out fields function into reminders due to usability issues. And you can see on the right screen, we have what the notifications look like when implemented. We will continue working as a team to implement changes into development.
So what have we learned as a team? I personally learned that I have to alter my communication style depending on which team member I'm communicating with.
I learned the importance of concise and clear documentation whenever communicating with the team to ensure we are in sync and on track.
And I've learned to overestimate the time taken to complete a task so that I do not overpromise and underdeliver.
And I learned that that life isn't all about coding and that you have to socialize.
You heard it from Blessing. Well, thank you for listening to our presentation.